Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we are introducing the SSB 50F Super VT column drill. Modern column drilling machines offer flexibility, easy handling, and are an integral part of every mechanical workshop. With a maximum drilling capacity of 50 mm, the SSB 50F Super VT is one of the heavy machines in the series. The large stroke of the work table and its ability to rotate and pivot result in an extended range of applications. Diagonal T-slots make it easy to set up fixtures and workpieces. When swiveled, holes may be drilled at an angle of up to 45 degrees. The height of the table is adjusted using a powerful motor drive. The drill head impresses with its heavy and solid design. The counter-shaft transmission for the spindle speed ranges run in an oil bath. The speed is infinitely variable via modern inverter technology and keeps high torque available over the entire speed range. The feed gear offers 6 stages and the quill feed is switched on via an electromagnetic clutch simply directly at the turnstile. Another highlight of the machine is the modern operating concept. All machine functions are displayed on the large, easy-to-read touchscreen. The surface is robust and insensitive for workshops. The spindle speed is intuitively controlled directly on the display. An integrated database makes it easier to select the right parameters for standard bores in steel and cast iron. Depending on the diameter of the drill and the material, cutting feed values are recommended. The recommended speed may be adopted automatically and the appropriate feed is set manually. The drilling depth stop is also set electronically. The desired drilling depth is selected and the drill is positioned on the workpiece surface and the value is accepted. The selected value and the current position are displayed during editing. When the pre-selected drilling depth is reached and the absolute position shows 0, the feed stops and the quill is automatically retracted. The unit of measurement for the entries and displays may be selected between millimeters and inches. When tapping, the desired thread depth can also be stored using the electronic stop. When the set thread depth is reached, the direction of spindle rotation changes automatically. A status display can also be shown on the touchscreen and the lift of the table, and the coolant device can be activated. Here at KNUTH with the SSB series, we offer a large number of variants with drilling capacities from 30 to 70 mm. Contact your nearest KNUTH representative today to find out the best solution for your business.